The Air Jordan 1 Low Olive Gray is gearing up to join Jordan Brand's growing lineup of neutral-driven releases for 2026, bringing a clean and lifestyle-ready look that fans of earthy tones will appreciate. This upcoming pair leans into desaturated hues reminiscent of the popular Travis Scott-era palettes, but delivers them through a more subtle, understated approach. The shoe features tumbled leather overlays in a weathered olive gray, matched with smooth black underlays and a textured swoosh for added depth. A small burnt orange Jumpman on the tongue delivers the only pop of color, while the dark midsole and outsole keep everything grounded in a low-contrast finish. Designed for versatility and everyday wear, the olive gray AJ1 Low maintains that muted style that has aged well across recent Jordan releases. Set to drop in 2026 for $125 via Nike.com and select retailers, this new colorway offers a refined alternative for sneaker fans who prefer clean, neutral builds.